Congratulations on the purchase of your new vehicle from Cole Nissan and welcome to the Team Cole family. We're thrilled we were able to help you with your vehicle purchase, but we also want you to know we're here for your vehicle maintenance and service needs.
That's why we're the home of the Bill Cole Advantage, a free lifetime powertrain warranty on new vehicles and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty on pre-owned vehicles. Here's some of the reasons to service your vehicle with Team Cole. With every service visit, we give all our customers a 120-point inspection, an alignment check, and we top off all fluids at no charge.
We also have certified master technicians using parts directly from the manufacturer. Not to mention the most advanced specialty tools and diagnostic equipment made specifically for your new vehicle.
When you stop by the dealership, pull up under our weather-protected canopy and one of our service managers will come out and greet you. At that time, one of our certified master technicians will perform your vehicle's inspection. You can then wait with us in our comfortable customer lounge that includes amenities such as TV, free Wi-Fi, or take advantage of our free shuttle service. The Courtesy Shuttle is always available. It can take you to and from work, home, or even the mall, or we offer free pickup and delivery within a 15-mile radius of the dealership. There are also loaner and rental vehicles available for any extensive repairs or warranty concerns. If you decide not to wait, our team will reach out to you once your vehicle's finished to go over what they found by either email, text, or phone call, whichever you prefer.
We also want you to know about our state-of-the-art collision center. We hope you never have the need, but as we all know, life happens. We have over 100 years of combined experience to make your car look as good as new, not to mention the fact we're manufacturer and iCar Gold certified. Our tools, frame, machine, and paint booth are all state-of-the-art, and our collision center is approved with any insurance provider that you may have.
And don't forget, our bodywork is backed with a lifetime warranty, not only on the repair, but the paint as well. Lastly, remember it is your choice where your vehicle is repaired. Don't let a tow truck driver or anyone else decide where your vehicle goes. Tell them to take it to the Bill Cole Collision Center to give you peace of mind knowing it is fixed right.
Again, we couldn't be happier than to welcome you to the Team Cole family. I'm Bill Cole, owner and founder.
I'm Jason Cole, Executive Vice President.
And I'm Lee Cole, the General Manager.
Thank you for choosing the Bill Cole Auto Mall for your vehicle purchase. And don't forget, we are here for all of your automotive needs. Find out more about our dealerships by visiting BillColeAutomall.com.